Imagine this. You're sitting at home, enjoying the comforts of your daily life, when suddenly you're confronted with a harsh reality. The legal system governing your actions, your choices, your very existence is not one of fairness and justice, but rather one of fear and oppression. Let's break it down. In Palestine, before the conflict with Israel, the laws were unforgiving, imposing severe punishments for even the slightest transgressions. Take, for example, the Hudud laws, Quinin el-Hudud. If someone stole, their hand could be cut off. Imagine the impact of such a punishment, not just on the individual, but on their family, their livelihood, their sense of dignity. Then there were the Tazir laws, Quinin el-Tazir, giving judges the power to decide punishments as they saw fit. This led to arbitrary imprisonment, torture, and even death for those who dared to speak out against the government or challenge its authority. Can you imagine living in constant fear of retribution for simply expressing your opinions? And let's not forget about Diyya, Eldon, where blood money could be used to buy justice. But justice should never be for sale. It should be about fairness and equality, not about who has the most money or power. Lastly, there's Qisas, LQSS, the idea of retaliation. An eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. But where does it end? In a never-ending cycle of violence and revenge that tears communities apart. Now think about your own life. Would you want to live in a society where your hands could be cut off for stealing, where expressing your opinions could land you in prison, where justice is bought and sold like a commodity, and where revenge is the norm? I don't think so. So when you hear people advocating for free Palestine, think beyond the slogans. Consider the implications of the legal system they're supporting. Do you want to be complicit in perpetuating injustice and oppression? Or do you want to stand up for fairness, equality, and human rights? The choice is yours. But remember, ignorance is not an excuse. Educate yourself. Understand the reality of the situation and make informed decisions that reflect your values and beliefs. Don't just follow blindly. Question, learn, and act with integrity. That's how real change happens.